Hey, hello again, Mike at Charles Mill Marina. Today I'm here with Starcraft's EX20C, which is a great cruise model for the entire family. It has a seating capacity of 10, it's 20 foot, 10 inches long, and going to be paired with a Yamaha motor anywhere between 9.9 horsepower and all the way up to the 115 VMAX. Why don't you come on aboard, we'll take a look at everything this boat has to offer. So, first thing I noticed, a nice teak weave vinyl flooring, so very sharp looking, easy to clean, and it's going to stay good looking for you for the long term. As we come a little further back, you notice a very nice seating here. It has enough room for someone to lay back, put their feet up, and a place to keep their drink nice and cool. So everything you could want there. We have the built-in changing room. It does just open right up and allow someone to get out of that wet swimsuit on the day in the lake. And it's just super easy here to use with the snap. It opens right up for anyone who wants to use it to get away to get out of that wet swimsuit or anything you need to do that way. So come a little further back here, there's plenty of other really nice options here. We do have the Bluetooth stereo system, the upgraded table, it's super sturdy, very nice looking there. And we also have the power bimini, which is a really nice feature that opens your boat's bimini top with just the push of a button and gets put away very similarly. Finally, last piece here is a nice sun deck. It gives someone a place to lay out and catch some rays, but it also is a great place to keep storage. So all your life jackets, your beach floaties, your towels, everything can go right in here. So really this boat's a total package, good looking, affordable, fun to use. So if you think this is the right boat for you, give us a call at 419-368-5551 or check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.